Welcome to the Basecrete user application video, which will show you how to roll on our waterproof bond coat. Nothing beats Basecrete when you follow these instructions and apply it according to our video tutorial. This short video will show how to properly roll Basecrete waterproofing bond coat onto your next project. As always, step 1 is to prep your application area. Proper preparation is crucial for creating the best finished product. Inspect your surface for loose debris, cracks, voids, and old material. Once you have determined that the area is clean and voids have been filled, begin with an SSD, saturated surface dry substrate. This means the surface is damp but free of standing water. For more information on SSD, please see that video on our channel. Step 2 is to mix your liquid and compound. Use a paddle mixer and electric drill to blend the product according to the instructions on the pail. Keep the mix out of sunlight, extreme heat, and freezing temperatures. After mixing for approximately 45 seconds, allow the mixture to fall set for about 4 minutes. Then, mix again for approximately 30 seconds before use. Never add water to Basecrete. Only thicken or thin using the liquid or compound provided. Step 3 is to use a roller to apply the first coat of Basecrete. Note that a 1/4 inch nap is needed for a smooth finished product, and a 3/4 inch nap is needed for a textured surface finish. For your first coat, roll on Basecrete to 1/16 thickness in a vertical pattern. When you have completed a 1/16 layer on your area, allow the first coat to fully dry at least 24 hours before applying your second coat. After at least 24 hours, it's time to roll on your second coat of Basecrete in a horizontal direction. Your second coat should be 1/16 of an inch to achieve the final 1/8 waterproofing finish. Remember that Basecrete should always have a textured finish, so there is no need to overwork the application. For more application methods, watch our other videos on the Basecrete channel. Thanks for choosing Basecrete, and if you need more information, a spec sheet, or performance data, please visit our website at basecreteus.com.